Today we are going to see how to build an RC car. So basically the materials required are a chassis which is made up of sheet metal, the battery which is of 12 volts and 7 amperes, and basically two double pole double throw switches which is consisting of 6 terminals, and basically we have the 4 wheels to be connected to the car. Now basically for operating this RC car we have remote control which consists of 2 switches. One switch is used for the left wheels for the movement of left wheels, and then another switch is used for the movement of the right wheels. So since we are connecting and using the single switch for the left side wheels, we have to connect the terminals of the left side wheels together. That will be seen in the later part of the video. And then if you are going to take left or right turns in this RC car, see, first if you have a forward movement, if you want forward movement in your car, you have to use both the switches. Since one switch is connected for the left side wheels and another switch is connected to the right side wheels, we have to use both the switches in the forward direction such that your car moves in the forward direction. Or if you want to move the car in the reverse direction, we have to use both the switches in the reverse direction so that the car moves back. And if you are going to take right turn, so you have to push the left button in the forward direction. You can either keep the right side button in ideal position, or you can move it in the reverse direction. Suppose if you want to have a sharper turn, if you give a reverse direction on the right side button, and if you give the forward direction on the left side button, the car moves a sharper turn. It will go this way and this will back off. So you can take a sharper right side turn. Same way applies for the left side turn also. So let's get into the connection part. See, since we are using one switch for the left side wheels, we have to connect the positive and positive terminals of the left side wheels together, and that is signified by this wire. And here it is. And the next negative terminals of the left side wheels are also connected together for a common wire. So thus we have 4 wires which have to be connected to the switches. And now moving to the connections for the switches. Here we have 6 terminals. Let's name it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I am connecting the first terminal of the left side switch with the 6th terminal here, and in the same way I am connecting the second terminal wire to the 5th terminal here. And I have already connected this in the left side switch, as you can see here. First terminal is connected to 6th terminal and 5th terminal is connected to 2nd terminal. This is because when you are using your motor in the forward and reverse direction, you have to also reverse the polarity. So when you are using the forward polarity, it's okay that the terminals are currently connected. But if you are going to use in the reverse direction, you have to give the reverse polarity in the motor. And so we are using the cross connections here. And moving the these here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 terminals. In this, so if you are using a single battery, we can connect the terminals of a single battery to this switch. And to another switch, we have these 2 wires which can be connected this way. This switch connected, which I will show the connections in the later part. How to do the connections. And so, thus the connections are given, and you can run your RC car in this manner. And don't forget that these 4 common wires which we have taken from 4 wheels are connected in these terminals. For left side button, left side wheels. Left side wheels wire is connected here like this way, and for the right side wheels, the right side in the right side switch, the 2 terminals are connected to the 3 and 4. So now we have the common wires from all the 4 wheels. This is a positive terminal and negative terminal of the left side wheels. So these are connected to the right side button, 3rd and 4th terminals. And similar way, the positive and negative terminals which are combined from the right side wheels are connected to the right side button, which are here it's given in 3 and 4 terminals. And already we have said that the first and 6th terminal are connected together, and the 2nd and the 5th terminal are connected together in the double pole double throw switches. And after connecting this, since we are using only a single battery, the connection from one switch to which the battery is connected is given. 2 terminals are used to give the connection to the next switch. And here we have these 2 terminals from the battery, which I am going to connect to a single switch here in this manner. In this manner, it's done. The positive and negative terminals are connected in this manner. And this is the basic connections of the RC car.